So here we have the Singer M2115, which is one of the more basic models, and I'm going to run through how we thread the machine from scratch. So you'll notice on the machine you've got two spool holders here, and then as we go forward you've got some graphics with a dotted line and a solid line. Now the dotted line refers to your bobbin winder, and your solid line refers to when we're threading. Now when we go to do the bobbin, we push this across to the right hand side. As soon as we do that, it disengages all of the sewing mechanism, so all we get is the bobbin swim round. You'll notice there's no movement of the needle at all. So we push that across now and we can start to sew. So we place the spool or the thread on the top just there. On the back you'll notice there's two, so that's twin needle work, and you've got a little hook just there. So we're going to be putting the thread through here, and then for winding the bobbin on we're going to go over the top. Now it's important when we go over the top we go underneath this part just there. Hopefully you've heard it click into place. The reason why we need to go underneath there for is it then fills the bobbin evenly. Sometimes you can miss that, it doesn't go through, it jumps out, but that's what we're going to do. And then when we get hold of the end of your thread and we get the bobbin, now I always push through the end here. You've got a hole, we're going to push through the hole just there like that, put that on there, push that across, press and hold, and that snaps off. Now this will fill until the thread touches here. You can adjust that if you want to. You just need to slightly loosen the nut just here. Don't want to go in it too far because that's held on with a nut and inside here, and it will fall through, and then you have to take it all apart and everything else. So yeah, that will thread until it gets to the end, and then it will stop. So once we've got that all done, we'll take that off. That can be cut out the way. There we go. And then we're just going to go back to threading the machine. So this is where we follow the dotted line, the solid lines. And we're going to go around the back here. And then we're going to go, if you notice they've got numbers on as well. So number 1, 2, and we've got 3 on the front here. Now to help, I'm just going to move the handle around until the lever comes out the top. So that's 5. We're going to go around the back, pull forward, down to number 6 just there. And 7 is just underneath there, like so. So that basically goes around there like that and tucks around the back. And then we're then going to go through the eye of the needle. So the next thing we then need to do is put your bobbin in your bobbin case. Now this, to reverse angle it, is going to be inside your machine when you first get it. Take out the bag. So to get it out, you've got a little lever just here. Just pull that towards you, pull it away. Comes out dead easy. Now on your bobbin you've got your tensions here, which is this little flap. Okay, that's the important part. We need to make sure the threads are going through there, otherwise we're not going to get a consistent stitch. So we put the bobbin in and we pull it and make sure it goes clockwise. Then I just put my thumb on to give it a little bit of tension, and we go into the groove just here. So we're going to go into the groove, around there, and pull it through over the top, like so. Click it into place. Okay, so it's in the middle there. To get it into your machine, you've got the hook system and a little hole there, or a little rod. We're going to push it in, and you'll hear it click into place. There we go. Now what we're going to do is just bring the thread up from the bottom, and we're just going to, in fact, pull that down, rotate it around, and you'll see it come at the top. And then pull it out, so you've got 2 bits of thread there. Now the beauty about the M2115 is the fact that everything's all pre-selected on this dial. So straight stitches you have got 1, 2, 3, and every time we change those around to each one of them, you're going to get a different length in stitch. All right, same with the go to zigzag. We twist it here, the machine will do that zigzag, and as we go through it will do that zigzag all the way around. So you can't really go wrong with it. Dead simple, dead easy to use machine. So we're going to get some fabric, We're going to start sewing. Want to go a bit bigger, go there. And again, we have the reverse button just here. Push down, machine goes in reverse, lift off, goes forward. And if we want to pick the zigzag, start off here. Twist it again. There we go. And that's it, M2105. Any questions, let me know.